Hi everyone, we're doing a review of the John Lewis coffee maker. That's the view from the front, and so we've got a side view of the water tank, got a rear view showing where the electric goes in, etc. Just moving around the other side, just basically there's a side door there and an adjustment on the coffee. So on the top we've got a coffee bean holder. Just put that down, and then what we'll do, we'll remove the lid. Okay, you can just take the screws out, remove the lid, and hey presto, we've got the innards. Okay, so let's start it off making a cup of coffee. Get the cup and see how this machine works. So we'll go for a large cup and we'll press start and we'll see what the machine does. Okay, so this is the sort of the kettle here, and it delivers liquid to the ground, and then it dispenses the coffee into this pipe here, down into the cup. So that is your John Lewis coffee maker. Okie dokie. And then eventually this thing will sort of clean itself, disengage and clean itself, and that's it. Fantastic.